if you are a good man and people still keep disrespecting you, this video might make you feel uncomfortable, because being kind is not the problem but the way you use it. So stay with me on this video, because one small shift will completely make people change how they treat you. And let me say this clearly: people don't disrespect good men because they are good. They disrespect good men because they are over-predictable, over-available, and very much afraid of conflict. Respect is not about kindness. Respect is about boundary and self-direction. Bad boys are not respected because they are bad. They are respected because they don't chase approval. They stand firm and they walk away when disrespected. Good men give too much. That's where they lost their respect. And here is the truth nobody tell good men. You confuse being nice with being respected. You think effort alone can make you get respect? You think consistency guarantees loyalty? You think patience is strength? You tolerate disrespect? You cannot say no. You remain where you are not valued. People subconsciously disrespect you not because they are bad people, not because they are evil, but human beings are wired to respect what has value. Yes. And this is how to fix it. Number one, stop explaining yourself. The more you explain yourself, the less authority you carry. Just state your standard and stand on it. Silence is powerful. Number two, remove access, not love. You don't need to insult anyone. Just reduce the access. People respect what they can misuse. Nobody will respect what is accessible at all times. Whenever they need you, you are there. You are always available. You are not busy. There will be no form of respect for you. So keep yourself busy. Do not give them access at all times. Reduce it. Reduce that access. People will start respecting you because they can't misuse what is not always accessible, what is not always available. Number three, become purpose-driven, not approval-driven. When your life revolves around your goals, you are always busy pursuing your goals, pursuing your aspiration. You know what you want. You have already set your goals and you have given yourself a timeline. You are pursuing it with your life. All you do revolve around your goals. My dear, people adjust their behavior around you. No form of disrespect. And number four, say no without guilt. No apology, no justification. A calm no change how people see you. Don't find it difficult telling people no. When it's not going well with you, say no to them unapologetically. Do you understand? Tell them no. Don't feel guilt about saying no to people. When necessary, say no to them, because this also commands respect. It changes how people see you. It changes how people rate you. And here's the truth. You don't need to be toxic. You don't need to be cold. You don't even need to lose your kindness. Good men with boundaries are respected. All you need to do is to set your boundary. All you need to do is to do the right thing. Respect yourself first. Set that boundaries and others will follow suit. So my darling, the difference is not character. It is self-respect. And in my next video, I'll be showing you why people treat you exactly how you allow them, and how setting boundaries changes everything. This channel is about real growth, not fake masculinity. I still remain your girl Inse, and this Love Talk with Inse, all we do here is to share love tip and relationship advice to men in order to help you build a stronger relationship. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Thank you for always being here to support your girl. Do stay tuned. Stay glued to this channel, because we still have a lot cooking for you. And if you are here to subscribe, do so. And do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Also share your ideas on the comment section so others could learn from you. I'll always be available to attend to all of our concern on the comment section. So let's gather there and do as we used to do. Keep it respectful. Love you guys. See you on our next video. Bye for now. Mwah, mwah, mwah.